If you're over 50 and feeling like your body is working against you, you're not alone. The weight that won't budge, the sleep that won't come, the hot flashes that strike at the worst moments. These aren't just getting older. These are real problems with real solutions that actually work. What if I told you that most of these frustrating challenges can be managed with simple, practical steps? Let me show you exactly what's happening and how to fix it. Let's be honest about what's really happening to your body after 50. You're dealing with changes that feel completely out of your control. You wake up in the middle of the night, drenched in sweat. You eat the same foods you've always eaten, but suddenly your clothes don't fit. You feel tired, but can't sleep through the night. Your mood swings come out of nowhere, and you might snap at people you love over small things. Your skin feels different, your hair is changing, and sometimes you look in the mirror and wonder where you went. These aren't just minor inconveniences. They're affecting your quality of life, your relationships, and how you feel about yourself. The frustrating part is that many doctors brush these off as normal aging without giving you real solutions. But there are answers, and you deserve to feel like yourself again. The root cause of most of these problems is hormone changes, specifically dropping estrogen levels. Most women experience vasomotor symptoms, but menopause can affect many other organ systems throughout your body. Think of estrogen as the conductor of an orchestra. When estrogen levels drop during menopause, all the different parts of your body start playing out of tune. Your temperature regulation gets confused, causing hot flashes. Your metabolism slows down, making weight gain easier. Your sleep cycles get disrupted, leaving you tired but wired. Most women experience menopause between ages 45 and 55. Common symptoms include hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and mood changes. These aren't separate problems. They're all connected to the same hormonal shifts. The good news is that once you understand what's happening, you can work with your body instead of fighting against it. Let's break down the 5 most common issues and exactly how to address each one. Issue number 1, stubborn weight gain, especially belly fat. For women in their 40s or 50s, that's likely a sign their body is transitioning to menopause. It's common for those entering this natural stage of life to gain weight and belly fat, sometimes called menopause belly. This isn't about willpower or eating too much. As we get older, our metabolism naturally slows down and we often lose muscle mass, all of which contributes to weight gain. Your body is literally storing fat differently than it used to. Start by adding protein to every meal. Think a palm-sized portion of chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt. This helps maintain muscle mass and keeps your metabolism working. Then, twice a week, pick up some light weights or resistance bands. Even 10 minutes of resistance exercises helps preserve the muscle you have. The biggest game changer is cutting back on refined carbs like bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. These spike your insulin levels, which tells your body to store belly fat. Instead, eat your biggest meal earlier in the day when your metabolism is naturally higher. Don't try to eat like you're 30. Your body needs different fuel now, and these small changes can make a huge difference in just a few weeks. Issue 2, sleep problems and night sweats. Sleep impacts belly fat for many reasons, including hormonal regulation. Sleep helps to regulate various hormones, particularly leptin and ghrelin, that influence appetite, metabolism, and fat storage. Night sweats and insomnia create a vicious cycle. Poor sleep affects your hormones, which makes weight gain easier and mood swings worse. Then the stress of not sleeping well makes everything worse. First, turn your bedroom into a cool cave. Set the temperature to 65 to 68 degrees and invest in breathable bedding. Before bed, take a cool shower to lower your core body temperature and reduce hot flashes. Stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime because late meals can trigger night sweats. Consider adding a magnesium supplement. 200 to 400 milligrams before bed can help with both sleep and hot flashes. Keep a small fan and cooling towel by your bed for quick relief during night sweats. Most women see improvement in their sleep within 2 to 3 weeks of making these changes consistently. Issue 3, hot flashes and temperature swings. Hot flashes, short, sudden feelings of heat, usually in the face, neck, and chest, which can make your skin red and sweaty, are one of the most disruptive symptoms. Hot flashes happen because your body's temperature regulation system is confused by changing hormone levels. Your internal thermostat is essentially broken and needs to be recalibrated. Start by dressing in layers so you can adjust quickly when a hot flash hits. Avoid trigger foods like spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol. They make hot flashes worse. When you feel a hot flash starting, practice slow, deep breathing. Take 6 deep breaths and focus on cooling down. Always keep cold water nearby and sip it during a hot flash to cool down from the inside. Many women find black cohosh supplements helpful for reducing hot flash frequency, though you should check with your doctor first. The key is preparation. When you're ready for hot flashes, they're much more manageable. Issue 4. Mood swings and irritability. Some women can start experiencing symptoms such as migraines, irritability, low mood, especially around the period time, even before periods become irregular. You might feel like you're losing your mind. Happy one minute, crying the next, then angry over something small. This emotional roller coaster is exhausting and affects your relationships. Never skip meals. Blood sugar drops can worsen mood swings dramatically. Make sure you're eating regularly throughout the day. Get at least 20 minutes of sunlight daily because this helps regulate mood hormones naturally. Move your body every single day, even if it's just a 10-minute walk around the block. Physical movement can stabilize your mood almost immediately. When you feel overwhelmed, practice saying, "I need a minute," and step away before reacting. Consider omega-3 supplements. These healthy fats support brain health and mood stability. You can find them in fish oil or algae-based versions if you're a vegetarian. Remember, your feelings are valid, but they don't have to control your life. These tools give you back some control over your emotional responses. Issue 5. Low energy and brain fog. Many women describe feeling like they're thinking through cotton or forgetting simple things they've known for years. This mental fuzziness is real and frustrating. Low estrogen affects your brain's ability to process information and maintain energy levels. You're not losing your mind, your brain chemistry is temporarily out of balance. Start your day with protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie will fuel your brain for hours. Throughout the day, take short breaks every hour. Even just 2 to 3 minutes can help reset your focus. Write things down immediately instead of relying on your memory during this transition. Your brain is working harder right now, so give it some help. Stay hydrated because dehydration makes brain fog significantly worse. Consider B-complex vitamins. These support brain function and energy production. Many women notice clearer thinking within a few weeks of adding these to their routine. Your sharp mind isn't gone forever. With the right support, mental clarity usually returns as your body adjusts to its new hormone levels. When to get professional help. Sometimes these simple fixes aren't enough, and that's okay. Here's when you should consider getting professional help. See your doctor if hot flashes happen more than 10 times a day. You haven't slept through the night in weeks. Mood swings are affecting your relationships or work. You've gained more than 20 pounds in 6 months. You feel depressed or anxious most days. Don't suffer in silence thinking this is just part of aging. Most women say their symptoms ease up or disappear completely once they reach post-menopause, but you don't have to wait years for relief. A good doctor will take your symptoms seriously and work with you to find solutions that fit your life. Being over 50 doesn't mean you have to accept feeling uncomfortable in your own body. These 5 issues are common, manageable, and temporary. With the right approach, you can feel better than you have in years. If this video helped you understand what's happening to your body, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical health tips for women like us. What's your biggest challenge right now? Share in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember, you're not alone, you're not broken, and you absolutely can feel amazing again. I'll see you in the next video.